Hi. Sometimes life presents us with challenges. Well, in fact, or the truth is that life always presents us with challenges. But sometimes they are bigger than we expect, or like the waves in the sea or the ocean are too high, and there's like a big wave coming, and we can't believe that we can get through it, and probably we go under. So if you face such a situation in yourself, please join to gain some confidence and to take full responsibility. So, I choose to be confident. That is the statement. In the face of everything that happens in my life, or face of everything that happens outside of me in the world, in society where I live, in my country, I choose to be confident. So say it out loud and see what makes you feel, what is resonating in you when you say, I choose to be confident. Pay attention to any doubts, any voices that say, that it's impossible, or we cannot, or I don't know how, I'm too weak, I'm too small, I'm lacking this, lacking that, can't be done. Hear all these voices that brings doubts, and tap along with me saying out loud, I choose to be confident. I choose to love and cherish life. I choose to let go. It's safe to let go. I don't need these doubts. They bring me no good. I let go of the doubts, the worries, they're not enough, the impossible. Let it all go. They're gone now. They get weaker. I don't want them in my life. I recognize that they are there, but I let go. I choose not to identify with them. I choose to identify with my strength. I let go of the fear, the worry, the weakness, the doubts. I let it all go. And it's okay. I know it is safe. Take a deep breath. And once again, I choose to be confident. Feel it. Hear the doubts. See if you notice them in your body or just voices in your head. Maybe there's a particular example that comes with it to support, as if to support the doubts, or the weakness, or the I cannot. Hear the story, see it, and with me. It is melting away. Losing its power, losing its grip. I am free. I choose to be confident. I choose to trust myself. I choose to trust life. I choose to forgive. I choose to be strong. Even though there are some doubts, they belong to the past. They no longer present me. I do not identify with them anymore. I let go. I let go of the past. It's no longer happening. I am now facing the future. And it's safe to be me. Safe to be strong. Safe to be confident. Safe to try. Safe to do. Safe to make mistakes. And it's safe to learn. I just let go. I know it's okay. And a deep breath. I choose to be confident. Say it out loud and feel it. You may want to change the tone of your voice or the way you say it, so you can actually breathe into it and bring into it more of your inner confidence, more of your character, your strength. Yeah? Maybe change the way you sit, maybe change the way expression on your face. Sit straight. Feel your body, feel your breath, feel life. And from this inner feeling, say out loud, I choose to be confident. I choose to trust life. I choose to be me. You know, one of the strongest fears that we have is the fear for mistakes. Yeah? Because mistakes associate in us with punishment. And punishment means pain. And we always try to avoid pain. Yeah? So you need to change this equation between mistakes, punishment, pain. Let go of it. And let go of all idea of mistakes. And just see it as more and more attempts. You know, you're trying to do, you're trying to discover, you're trying to learn, you're trying to be you. And that's what you do. Yeah? When you're no longer a little boy or little girl, you don't have to fear anybody. You don't need to get permission from any adult to be you or tell you what to choose and how to choose and what to be and how to be. You can just be yourself now. Responsibility here lies with you, with your life. And it's okay to try, and it's okay to be, and it's okay to do. Don't worry, just let it go. So once again, say out loud, I choose to be confident, and feel it. Is any more doubt, any doubt left or whatever? Yeah, with me, they're all melting away. The doubts are melting away. I can feel my strength. I can feel my power. I feel the power of life within me. I feel the wisdom, the encouragement, the skills, the support. I am not alone. Help is everywhere. Help is everywhere. It's okay. The old fears are gone now. The old fears are gone now. This is me. That's a great experience. It's wonderful to be me. I let go. I simply trust. It's enough. I choose to be confident. I choose to feel confident. I choose to live with confidence. So once again, say out loud, I choose to be confident. I choose to feel confident. And feel it. Feel the confidence in you growing. It's okay. You're not meant to be perfect, yeah? We are here to learn. It's a big, big playground for kids like us to do, to try, to train ourselves, to get better. Fall, come up again, fall, come up again, yeah? That's how we learn to walk and then run and then do all sorts of million of things. And it's okay. So that's it for now. Hope you find it useful. Take care. Try to do good things. Let go of perfection. Help yourself, help others whenever you can. Let's make it a better world for all of us. Keep safe. Bye bye.